of us never wake up early enough to enjoy the beautiful sunrise at Marina Beach.
காலையில 4 மணிக்கு எந்திரிப்பேன். அவர் கோயிலுக்கு போறனால தண்ணி வச்சு அவருக்கு டீ எல்லாம் எடுத்து வச்சு கொடுத்துட்டு அப்புறம் கோயிலுக்கு அமுச்சு விட்டுருவேன். கோயிலுக்கு அமுச்சுட்டு அப்புறம் வாசலெல்லாம் துடைச்சி கோலம் போட்டு குழந்தைங்களுக்கு இந்த பூனைங்களை 2 பேரை சீனும் சிம்மு பேர் அதுங்களுக்கு ஃபுட்டு வச்சுட்டு பாப்பாவுக்கு தண்ணி வச்சு காய வச்சு தலசியை விட்டு அதுக்கு சாப்பாடு பாக்ஸில் எடுத்து வச்சு ஸ்கூலுக்கு அமுச்சு விட்டுருவேன்.
Say vanakkam to Sujata, one of our most enduring homemakers we've ever met. She welcomed us with much love amidst all the hustle and bustle of a busy morning routine.
அண்ணா, அந்த அர்ச்சனை தட்டு எவ்வளோ? அப்படியே அந்த பூவும் தேங்காயும் காமிங்களேன்.
As I sit sipping on some filter coffee at my favorite tea kadai, I was taken aback by the most colorful sight for sore eyes on a summer day. I closed my eyes and I could suddenly feel I was inside a temple. A smell that was a curious combination of flowers, fruits, incense sticks, sandanam and vibhuti. Many of us think retirement equals a permanent break, but here's someone who took a break from the norm. Mohan Anna took a VRS much early on in his career to open a petty shop that sells flowers and fruits, anything and everything that one requires to get that divine connect through offerings and pujas. Even through his slurred speech, one thing came right through.
I love my job.
Music is food for the soul. It's through sheer magic that one enters another world. Meet Mauli, the flautist who finds love by not just playing, but also making his own flutes.
I like my coffee a lot. I'm really serious. I really like my coffee. My mornings are very grumpy without my coffee. So you might wonder what makes my mum's coffee special. It is thick, it is delicious, and the milk. Now that's a story I'd like to tell.
பாலாஜி என் பேரு. நான் 15 மாடு வச்சிருக்கேன். ஒரு 13 வருஷமா மாடு வச்சிருக்கேன். பசுமாடு கறந்து எல்லா இடக்கும் பால் சப்ளை பண்ணுறேன். என் பையனும் கூட ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுவான். பசுமாடுனா எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சமானது. அதனால இந்த தொழிலை நான் எடுத்து செய்கிறேன். ஐ லவ் கவ்.
In a country where in 2014-15 we produced 147 tons of milk, making us the world's largest milk producer. Cheers to my milkman who at the most micro level makes this million possible. Of course, he makes me love my coffee that much more.
I hear things more loudly. I see things more clearly. I smell things more strongly. I taste things differently. I feel things you do not. I have autism and I'm proud of it, and I am an artist.
I'm Rupak's dad. We have discovered his disabled autistically at the age of 2. Art therapy has holistically transform him from autistic to artist.
When I first met Rupak Munjain, I was completely enamored by the inherent intellect in this boy's eyes. I fell in love with Rupak every time he smiled when his dad spoke of his paintings. Bold, bright, vivacious and full of life. Every painting of his has a different interpretation to the joy he feels inside but cannot express like the rest of us. Here's to Rupak, a boy who teaches us that love is beyond the ordinary.
A clean India would be the best tribute India could pay to Mahatma Gandhi on his 150th birth anniversary in 2019. This was said by our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, as he launched the Swachh Bharat mission in Rajpath in Delhi on 2nd October 2014. In a country where Swachh Bharat has become a photo op for celebrities all across, is a real hero who keeps the area around Kabaliswar Koil, Mylapore clean.
நான் குப்பாடுறோம் தான் 5 வருஷமா அழிவுனுக்கிறோம். காலையில் 6 மணிக்கு வந்து கையெழுத்து போட்டு வருவேன். வந்துட்டு 2 மணி வரைக்கும் இங்கே செய்வேன். என்னோட வேலை வந்து நல்லா சுத்தமாக ஏற்றினா தான் எல்லாருக்கும் பிடிச்சி இது பண்ணுவாங்க. ஏன்னா சுத்தமாக வச்சாதான் உங்களால சந்தோஷமா இருக்க முடியும், பார்க்கறதுக்கு நல்லா இதுவாக இருக்கும்.
A place of worship is meant to cleanse one's soul. But real worship starts with keeping ourselves, our homes, our streets, our city and our nation clean. Celebrating Ilangovan, a man who wakes up every day and finds love even in dust, dirt and grime.
In this day and age, any young Indian will tell you what's happening around him thanks to Facebook feeds, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat and every other new app on his stupid smartphone. But in Chennai, this is our very own news headquarters, Namma Chennai Tea Kada.
என் பேர் நாகராஜன்மா. நாங்கள் வந்து இந்த தொழில் பண்ணுறது வந்து எங்களுக்கு பொதுச்சேவை செய்கிற மாதிரி மக்கள் வந்து தவிச்சு வரவங்களுக்கு டீ காப்பி தண்ணி கொடுக்கறது எங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்கு. நாங்கள் இதுதான் எங்களுக்கு லைஃப், இதுதான் ஃபேமிலி ரன் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறோம்.
A rich Chennaiite can hold multiple overseas accounts, be it in Monaco, Monte Carlo, or even a Swiss account. But it all starts with Namma Tea Kada account. These are some of the expressions that you will love to hear only in our tea kada. Anna, suda or tea? மச்சான் ஒரு விஷயம் தெரியுமா உனக்கு? அண்ணா ஒரு பட்டர் பிஸ்கட் கொடுண்ணா.
Did you know Brijesh Devareddy spent 3 years drawing on a fridge with a simple black marker?
I'm a product designer by day and an artist by night. By the end of the day, I come back, I unwind by doing my black and white art, and nothing is more relaxing than this. This is absolute pure bliss. That's one of the biggest kicks that I can ever get for doing the art.
So his lady love is a black marker.
சென்னைக்கும் மலையாளிகளுக்கும் ஒரு வளர அடுத்த பந்தம் உண்டு. Who doesn't fall in love with a ஓமனக்குட்டி? Chennai welcomes God's own country with Via Kerala. Hey. An exclusive design store that is a reflection of contemporary Malayalam visual culture.
Hi, I am Alina. I represent Malayalam Project. Malayalam Project is an initiative by Thought Factory Design and Via Kerala. So we do a lot of typography designs.
Fall in love with their quirky traditional Kerala motifs through handcrafted bags, toys, and stationery.
American essayist, lecturer, and poet Ralph Waldo Emerson once said, "Love of beauty is taste. The creation of beauty is art."
என்னுடைய பேர் வந்து கோவில் பிச்சை பிரபாகர், திருநெல்வேலி டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட்ல இருந்து வரேன். சைன் போர்டு ஆர்டிஸ்ட் எல்லாம் இருந்திருக்கேன்.
Kovil Pichai had humble beginnings. He started with signboards, banners, paintings, and illustrations in a town called Tirunelveli, and was first discovered nationally when he exhibited at an art fair in Delhi. Today, he's published books, won the Tamil Nadu Nunkalai Kuru Awards, which is given by the state government. His love for sculpture is very eclectic. He even sculpted 300 miniature cats at an Indo-Korean exhibition.
Everybody calls her Koki, right from the tiny ballerinas to the teachers who teach various forms of dance at the Academy of Modern Dance. This is Chennai's first formal Western dance school at the Russian Cultural Center, which began in 1998. And now every year, the school has a massive dance performance featuring more than 400 students. Meet Koki.
I guess dancing, like they say, even if you have a broken heart or even if you have a happy heart, everybody wants to dance.
Whose love for dance began with her mum and dad. Her mum, a Bharatanatyam dancer who started a dance school at Brunei, and her father, a flamenco dancer. From contemporary to salsa, our hot stepper Koki teaches us love can happen even between two left feet.
Love is emotion, more than a person. We're falling in love with everything. You've gone astray, feel the pain. It's time you found your passion again. Open your eyes, soak in the moment. It's time you put those bad days behind. It feels like magic, everything we do, even simple things sound precious with love.
Firing up your Valentine's Day with a new story of love. Ordinary people,
Extraordinary lives,
Humble beginnings.
blissful sights.
small cities.
Pick your slice.
Radio Tape 1048.